Hello everybody, I'm your instructor from Learning Tree and it's the first video about parts of speech. I know it's a very cliche topic and most of you get annoyed and make faces like this. But I assure you, I'm going to teach this in the most easier and understandable way. So let's start with it. First of all, what are the parts of speech? Well, these are the basic types of words that English has, and according to their usage and the work they perform in a sentence, they are divided into different kinds and classes. But why they are so important? Well, they are important so that you could be able to recognize and identify different types of words in English. Apart from that, you can also understand grammatical explanations and use the right word in the right place. So this is a list of parts of speech, and according to some books there are 8 types and in some there is 9 types. So don't get confused with it. So the list says that noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, article, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So let's start with the brief explanation. First up, noun. Noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, thing, living creature, quality, etc. For example, theater, cowboy, kindness, etc. Next, adjective. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells you something about the noun. For example, big, yellow, thin, amazing, quick. Next word, verb. Verb is the most important one because it describes an action or state. For example, walk, talk, believe, like, etc. Then adverb. Adverb is a word which usually describes a verb. It may also tell you when or where something happened. For example, slowly, intelligently, everywhere, tomorrow, etc. Then pronoun. Pronoun is used instead of a noun to avoid repeating the noun. For example, I, you, he, she, it, etc. Then conjunction. It's my favorite. Well, it joins two words, phrases or sentences together. For example, but, so, because, or you can make a long list of it. Then comes preposition. Well, it joins noun to some other parts of the sentence. For example, on, in, by, through, under, and the list goes on. Then interjection. Well, these are the words which express emotions and they are followed by exclamation marks. But let me tell you, these exclamation marks are the identity to identifying into an interjection in a sentence. For example, ouch, hello, hooray, oh, no. So these are the interjections. So this ends with the brief explanation. Now this is a task for you. This is a list of sentences which I have made, and now I want you to read these sentences carefully and then identify the parts of speech which we just have discussed now. Do comment below the video and give us your views about the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. So there you go. Thank you.